Hello, welcome back to the shop. This week I finished some unfinished business as I perfect all the small details from the past shaping and get the wood ready to oil. It's been a productive week, so let's get to work. I hope everyone had a great 4th of July, and I better not hear any reports of anyone coming back missing fingers. You need those for filing and drinking shop beers. Anyways, today we start with the grip area and perfect this line that borders the grip. This will be checkered in the future, so this border must be uniform in height and radius. Next, I move on to the cheek piece. Last episode, I shaped it. Now it needs to be leveled. And thanks to my great friend Micah, we have a bunch of these farrier rasps, which are very good for making flats. And now, with the cheek piece sanded and flat, we turn our attention to this area at the ejection port. So, YouTube demonetized my last video, so I'm down to, this is my only shirt. I dress like this. It's YouTube. The man says no. You can't be doing this. You can't be working on gun stocks. You can't be working on wood. Look how they got me dressed. So join the Patreon. Help me buy a new shirt.
Ein Bier im Laden, ein kühler Traum. Zwischen Regalen, da find ich Raum. Die Flaschen glitzern wie Sternenlicht. Die Kasse piept, das Glück zerbricht nicht. Shop Beers, Prost, mein Freund. Ein Schluck, ein Lachen, wir sind vereint. Shop Beers, das Leben so fein. Mit einem Krug voll Glück im Sonnenschein. Der Kühlschrank summt, ein froher Ton. Ich greif zur Dose, das ist mein Lohn. Der Laden duftet nach Marzipan. Hier wird der Durst
That's a really funny joke. If you've been on this channel for a long time, a lot of you are gonna be like, what the hell was that? So basically, I found this little lizard, right? It was just sitting on my shop floor, and I loved the thing. I thought it was the best thing ever, and I wanted to keep him. And then a beautiful woman, the most beautiful, some would say, said I should name it Ranger. So obviously, I named it Ranger. And then, well, you know what? Just go watch it. You'll see. Click this button right here. Much quicker than I thought I was going to. So, yeah, now we're gonna move on to here. Come here, get over here. Readjust, hold on. Whoa! It's like a roller coaster. Try to set this up in a way where you can see that spine. See, it's subtle, but you can feel it in your hand.
And that wraps it up for this week. I'm still waiting on some parts, but this stock is getting close to its final stages. I think it's one of the best I've ever done. I'm a big fan of those swells I added last episode. What do you think? Comment below, and as always, thanks for watching. Join the Patreon. There's a whole other project going on over there. And it helps keep this show running. I hope you had a fantastic 4th of July. Have a great week. See you Tuesday.
Shop Bier, oh Shop Bier, wir heben das Glas. Shop Bier, oh Shop Bier, ein Prost für den Spaß.